We're here with Keisha again. Say hi, Keisha. Alrighty, so we're going to start with the entrance. Alright, so this house is for $33 million. This is the entrance. So you have a passageway here, and to the right here you have, ooh, so when I come in through there, I'm in the corner right here, and this is the, oops, sorry about the lighting, it changes. This is the actual space. So this is your living. It's open floor plan, as you can see. This space is a lot of space. Alright. So you have that passage coming all the way down from the, and come all the way to the back here.
Which one?
You can't expand upstairs.
Yes.
Oh, so this is a half bath? No, a full
This
bath?
is like a visitor's bathroom.
Oh,
But I would drywall it off, like to the put a door here, put a drywall, and then go upstairs for extension.
for extension.
Because it already
Oh,
has
yes,
steel.
yes, I saw the steel. You guys will see that. So you can extend on the top by going through here. So this is all the way to the back.
Here's the kitchen. There's a kitchen.
Oh, this is not the kitchen. I thought the kitchen would be like, you know, like, but as you come down,
There's a huge living area,
yes,
dining area as well.
dining area.
And the kitchen is big enough, you can put a little cubicle here.
Alright, so as we come all the way down, we have the kitchen right off to our right here, and this is the kitchen area. Cupboards. Oh, this is another exit around here. This is a wash area, so it is, the washroom is off the kitchen area right here, and this is an exit door. I hope that I'm showing you guys properly. So this is the exit door to the back. We'll soon go around to the back, but this is the washroom. This is off the kitchen area right here. As you can see, the kitchen is not as modern or up to date, but it can use a little work because the windows are modern, and yeah. Solid. Alright. It is an S, so they didn't go up on the top.
You can gauge what you want up there.
True. Alright, so down at the back here, so that is the outside, the exit. The exit door is right there. So onto the left, over on this side, we have one room. Hold on, let me. So this is one room. I'm going to go in the corner up here to show you. Alright, so I am in the corner of the room right now, and I just want to show you guys the space, and this is the back room. Can't hear me echo? But this is the back room. Alright, it has no what do you call it now, closet space or anything, so you can make this room whatever you want it to be, probably an office if you don't need so many rooms. Alright, so this is one room. I'm exiting, and we already show you this area where you can extend and go up the stairs. So back to the front, over on this side we have, this is a master. Alright, so this is another room. I'm going to go into the corner. This is the garage entrance right here. So this can be a living, a bedroom area as well.
So they recently fixed the tiles, so you guys can change it if you want.
Right, so if you guys don't like the tiles, you can go ahead and change that as well. And so I'm in the far corner, and this is the space. It also has its own bathroom. So this is the closet area, as you can see, and this right here is the bathroom. So you can put your door here, and you have your bathroom and your closet in one. So this is how it looks. Alright. It's not the slide. Sorry, it's not the slide doors or anything that we love.
But it can work if you steer rankings.
So if you don't like the tub, I guess you can uproot it and make the floor one. You can add a slide doors if you wish. You can go ahead and use curtains and change the shower heads and so on. The faucets and stuff, they can be changed. Alright, so this is what you get right here. Coming out, exiting with the closet area. So going back and going to here. So this is where I showed you. So bathroom and 2 bedrooms. So I'm going to go to this bedroom first. Alright, so this is the space. This is the space. I'm going in the far corner. And you have your closet area in this room. So everywhere is grilled, as you can see. And everywhere needs a coat of paint and so on.
So then you may have to change the outlets, like modernize them. Right? Figure like everyone has outlets, they switch on the But let's see.
So this is the
It's like
so that's the closet right there. This is very long.
so this is
And you have a storage at the
this
top.
is like a family house. This is a family house. This is a family house. So so you have like extended family, and you want to move in our house. This can be a very house to fit that need, because you have this room and you have a shared bathroom like this.
Alright, so this would be the shared bathroom between the 2 rooms. I'm going to show you the next bathroom. So this is the bathroom. So you can put up your mirror up there, and you can change all of this if you want. I'm not fond of these colors, as you can see they're not very modern, but it can be worked with if you are if you want to invest in a property like this. Alright, so we go out and into the other room. So this is the room, and we go in and onto the far corner of the room. We have closet spaces at the top here. It's the same as the other room before. Yes.
And remember, guys, you don't have to, if you're just looking to live, you don't have to spend a lot of money to fix things up same time. They can buy the house and then they can fix after, or if you want to buy the house and fix same time, it's all up to you. But this is good for a family house. And also renting.
Yes, because you can rent per room. Alright, so this is basically the entire house in a nutshell. This is a very big space.
Very big living room.
Living and dining, because down here would be considered as the dining. It's kind of dark, sorry about that, but down here would be dining and all of that. So it's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, and the home floor plan of the living and dining. And here you can build on the upstairs. So this is the exit of the back. So you also have a back porch porch. So you also have yourself a back porch here where you can sit and chill out. The breeze up here is
Super cool.
the breeze up here, guys. It's so nice. It's just like, because the sea is just like right here. So you get all of the good breeze, the good air, and everything. So I'm going to show you the back. This is the space that the back offers. So you have your own banana tree.
And you have piece of sweet and
You have a sweet shop, not
shop.
a sweet shop right here, but
over here a while.
so you know anything will come over your shop for you. So sweet shop at the tree. I don't know, something look like wrong with the tree though, like alright, so you have a breadfruit tree of your own, so you don't have to think about your neighbor breadfruit. You have your own breadfruit, and this are your line space and everything. So you have your line space that I'm going to close behind here, and as you can see, there's your neighbor right there. Whoops. Yeah, so if you want to plant anything as for the purpose of planting, I guess you can have your one little garden here, so you have to clear around here, so you understand? And yeah, you understand, you can do your own. If you want to plant flowers along the wall, it's yours. You can have that option. Yeah, you can have your own little patch, your own little garden right here, or even up by the banana tree up here. So that is the most space that you get at the back here. And the side, this is the side of the house. Sorry, it's kind of windy. Alright. And as you were saying, you can go on top. The steels are already laid, so you can go ahead and extend your house if you wish to. Alright, so if you guys do not mind anybody living beside you, this is a good investment property. It is in a very lovely neighborhood as well. So this would be your front area. And that's where I was standing when I first started the video, and this is the garage that I was telling you guys about. So you drive up a car yourself and you enter your room here that I showed you previously. Alright, so you have all different types of lighting fixtures. If you guys like these, if you want to change them, it's up to you. Yeah, so what I was thinking was, here could be, it would be nice if it was grilled right here. So you can do that if you wish. You can grill up it if you want, but it's all up to you. And this is the front area that you get. So you have little space for running around and, you know, all of that. This is the other side of the house. Alright, and it goes to the back where I'm coming from. Alright. As for the neighborhood, guys, it is very lovely. If you start to build on top, you will have sea view. Okay, so this is the area. We're not at, but the area is just calm and nice. Okay, so yeah. This is in Discovery Bay. This is Sunflower Drive, Discovery Bay. It is off the main road from D&G You turn off right at Hopewell Gardens there and you come all the way in, or you can take the road from Brownstone and where you turn into Secret right there. Yeah. Okay guys, so as we said, it's
Once you look good as
the
a
house
man,
is almost $33 million. 235,000 US dollars. So you make the conversion. Yes. Yeah, depending on what the rate is at the time of purchase.
Even then, they purchase it, like they purchase no like a 141
Oh my god.
or something like that.
So yes guys, if you do enjoy the video, always remember to thumbs up the video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you, my friend, are sitting there and your subscriber button is still red. That don't cute. So ensure that you guys subscribe, like, comment,